Moving forward towards the method number 4, that is the using a translate. So how we are going to do is we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to create a table in which we are combining all of the elements of the list win, in which we are converting it into the string directly, and after that we are creating a table according to our string 1. So after creating the table, we are going to say them that we need to only replace those elements which are present in to our list number 1, which we are combining them together, and we are replacing it into the string number 1. And this is our pattern. I mean, this is a table in which we are going to show them that how we are going to replace it and to which element we are going to replace it. And after replacing, we are storing it into the string number 2 variable, and we have them as an output.